If you want to get started and install AliExpress on your phone, open the Play Store or the App Store first. Search for AliExpress and tap on it. Then tap on install, and right after installing just open the app. It's asking you if you want to enable all notifications. If you allow it, you can also deactivate this option later. Select your location and tap on continue, accept or personalize your cookies, and then just log in. I'm gonna log in with my Google account. And then you successfully created an account on AliExpress. Here you can also add your phone number to have a higher security level, or just for now click on the X on the top left corner. Same as you have on Temu or Shein, you will also get here some offers. Just click them away if you don't want them to see. And now you can navigate through the app, use filter options and find the best product in the shortest time of delivery. And yes, it has a wide collection of products, very similar to Temu but known for its niche products. So a little more specialized and also good for high quantity and drop shipping. Thanks for watching.